Hi there! Today we will be learning about how to pronounce three uncommonly words. The first uncommonly word is anluwage. How to pronounce it? Anluwage. Anluwage. Meaning a carpenter. Example, may nakita akong anluwage sa bahay ng aking kaibigan. The second uncommonly word is durawangan. How to pronounce it? Durawangan. Durawangan, meaning a window. Example, tumingin ako sa durawangan upang makita ang magandang tanawin. The last but not the least uncommonly word, kalupi. How to pronounce it? Kalupi. Kalupi, meaning a wallet. Example, bumili ako ng aking bagong kalupi dahil nawala ang dati kong kalupi.